Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to cook bacon the easiest way. So this is just for a small family, or let's say intermediate size family. We love to eat bacon, but we don't love the mess and the work like a lot of people. So we enjoyed it actually usually in the restaurant, but we wanted to have it also at home. So we started like everybody to make it in a pan. And of course that works, but it's hard work, it's a mess. I mean, you can even burn yourself because there's really hot oil. And I mean, it smells. Even when you have when you have a strong hood, it smells like crazy for a couple of hours or almost the whole day. I mean, it turns out really good, but it's just too much work and too much mess. So we were trying to find a better way to do that. Of course, I know a lot of people are doing it in an oven, so you can put it, like this. And I heard it usually turns out really good, but it can be quite a mess, especially to clean after that, and it also smells. And it takes quite some time. So we were looking into a third option, and the third option was the Oscar Mayer fully cooked bacon, which you can put into a microwave. So this is the Oscar Mayer packaging. When we look a little bit closer, at the moment I can't find any indication of on microwave cooking, but maybe it's an old package description here, and they just added the microwave thing later on. But it really, I mean, it looks like this. I remember it's called the Mega Pack, 12 serving, something like that, and it is written microwave, and it even shows how to do that. The thing is, it turned out really good, really, really delicious, no problem at all. The slices are really thin, they cook really fast. It takes about, I think, 2.5 or 3 minutes to cook them in the microwave oven. We had 1100 watts. But it is still some work to do. It is easy, not super easy. And actually, for the price, it is too much work. You can see it's $1.50 per ounce. This is crazy. I mean, they say mega pack when you hold it in your hand. I mean, you would expect a lot of bacon for $10, but this is still, even when they say mega pack, it's super lightweight. There's not much bacon in it. It hardly fits for a whole family for breakfast. I mean, as an add-on, not as a main dish. Of course, you never have this as a main dish. You just have it as an add-on, and that barely is enough for the whole family as an add-on for $10. Yeah, that's quite a lot. So we were looking for something cheaper and maybe easy to handle. So we were looking at the at the shelf, and so we found this. It is called Hormel Black Label Microwave Ready Bacon. Here they say microwave ready. And when we look a little bit closer, this is what we see. This is how this looks. Here not so much to see, but I'm showing you later how this turned out. It really looks, it's in these plastic things sealed, and as you can see, the price here, we have only 56 cents per ounce compared to $1.50. It's only about a third of the price of the Oscar Mayers, and this is how it turned out. I mean, here I have some live pictures, more or less, from the packaging which I have. Here you can see how this is a package. These are some like 3 or 4 of these packages. One slice, yeah, only one size. Slice here, one here, one here. So in every package, just 4 slices. So this is a super clean thing. You don't have to put it in a microwave safe plate or something like that. You just put these plastic bags into the microwave and let it cook for 2 or 3 or yeah, around 3 minutes. It has a paper towel, really thick paper towel inside, which soaks up the grease, and that's a good thing. So it is not really leaking. When you open that, you have to be careful when you open that. It can be really hot, but it has good edges to open. You don't need a knife or something like that. And usually the grease is really soaked up into this tissue, and you can really take it out and put it on your plate and enjoy it. And the taste is really good. It is definitely at least at the same level as the Oscar Mayer, but it's definitely less work and less mess, because the Oscar Mayer you have to put in a plate. So here we can see it from underneath with this paper towel which soaks everything up. So it turned out really good. It was way cheaper than the Oscar Mayer. It was a really good solution, worked good, smelled good, everything good. And I thought, yeah, okay, why not to go a little bit further and save more money? And so I found this great value original bacon on Walmart. And as you can see, it's only 32 cents per ounce compared to the Hormel. It's almost down another 50%, and I thought, yeah, okay, it's bacon. I mean, when we look at this thing here, it looks pretty much the same. I mean, compare this one here to this one here, it looks about the same, not much difference. So I thought, okay, I mean, when we have the Oscar Mayers, which for a really high price, which we have to put in a plate, yeah, I mean, then I can do the thing which is cost only about 20% of this one in a plate and have same results too. So I went on, bought this one. As you see here, this great value bacon, I took 2 micro oven plates. You have to be really careful. It has to be micro oven safe. And so, yeah, I filled it the same way as the Oscar Mayer. You have to do with the Oscar Mayer, even for this really high price, you have to do the same thing. You have to put them in a plate and make these layers of paper towel and bacon, and then another layer of paper towel and bacon. You can do many layers if you want, and then put it in the micro oven. Hope we have these pictures as well. Here you see both plates filled. This is not the Oscar Mayer, this is the normal great value, but with the Oscar Mayer it looks about the same. Just the pieces of the Oscar Mayer are a little bit thinner and smaller, so they fit a little bit better into these trays, but there's really not much difference. And here we have the result after about 3 minutes, but not with the Oscar Mayer, it was with the normal great value. And as you can see, it's not cooked enough. You see it is a little bit cooked, but not enough. So I gave a little bit more time, and this was it about after 5 or 6 minutes. We did a little bit more, and so at the end it was quite okay. But the thing is, with the normal original great value smoked bacon from Walmart, you have to really cook way longer than with the Oscar Mayer or with the Hormel, and that turned out to be a little bit a problem. It looks like it gets probably too hot when you cook it for 6 or 7 minutes in the microwave. It somehow it gets overcooked, overheated. I don't know why. I don't know what really happens with that, but it looks like it's not good. It gets too hot, and especially the places where it's overlapping, they really stick together, and you can see here, I mean, you really can see it from here. It doesn't look perfect like cooked bacon has to be. I mean, it's eatable, definitely, but it does not have the same taste. It doesn't look as good as with the Oscar Mayer or with the Hormel. It's not the same. You can eat it, but the whole family said, no, that's actually not comparable to Oscar Mayer or the Hormel. So I'm staying away. I mean, I heard other people are doing this with the great value bacon as well. They don't use other techniques or something like that. They probably are not so picky as we are, but I really have found, for me, it's a huge difference. The difference is too big, and it's not worth. I mean, of course, it's another 50% cheaper, but the biggest difference is really between the Oscar Mayer and the Hormel. It's only, I mean, you can save about 65% between these two, and the Hormel is even easier. And I'm saying it's much easier to cook because you have these nice plastic packages. Here, these things, I mean, these packages, you have 3 or 4 of these packages. They are sealed, they are with these paper towel inside. I mean, when you turn on the microwave, it looks a little bit scary at the beginning because these bags are inflating like crazy. They look like a balloon, but don't stop the microwave. Just keep going and leave it, like, I would start maybe with 1.5 minutes, and if you see that it's not enough, give it another 30 seconds or 1 minute, and it will be perfect. And you can take it out with this thing, open it, cool it, let it cool down a little bit, and put it on your plate, and it will be perfect. So my recommendation is definitely clearly this Hormel Black Label microwave ready bacon. It's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive, but it's the most convenient way to do that, and it has a great taste. So this is, I mean, there's no way to have a better result at the end. Cheaper, like, you can go a little bit cheaper, but definitely not better, not easier. This is the perfect compromise, I would say, between high price and low safe and have not good results. So we will definitely go in the next time with this one. They even had a rollback on this one, so looks like in the next time Walmart will sell it for this $6.64. So absolutely my recommendation. Maybe you have something better. Yeah, just let us know if you have anything which is better or works better or is easier. I know we have there are some solutions on Amazon. We have these things here. I will put down the link to these things also into the description. So if you're interested in these things, there are these special trays, but it doesn't, I think it won't make it much better. You still would have it like for 6-7 minutes or even 8 minutes in the microwave oven, which is actually too much and makes the bacon overcooked. I don't know what they do with this Hormel and the Oscar Mayer. I mean, the Oscar Mayer, they make the really thin slices, and so yeah, I think this is the way how they make it ready for microwave, so you don't have to leave it for 6 or 7 minutes in the microwave. But the Hormel are really thick slices, and they still are ready in about 3 minutes. So yeah, anyway, I mean, really, this is the thing to go. But yeah, if you have a better solution, just let us know. If you have any questions, also let us know. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the feedback area, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.